hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Hotter.
Yes, people, blessings. You don't know the thing, man. Attacking boss there. You understand? So right about now, people, I'm gonna do this vlog right now. And it's a sad one. Because it's where a Jamaica constabulary force that's from the JCF member has lost his life tragically while on duty by the hands of the gun by a gunman. In Kingston, you understand, Maxwell Avenue, them say, early this morning. Well, people, while I'm talking now, you will see some pics on the other side of the video. And those pics are from the scene of where this incident happened on Maxwell Avenue. Well, viewers and subscribers, this police constable, who is just 27 years old, right? Very good police, according to many people. Decent man, past student who go school with this man, people who know this man personally. You understand? So they can't believe a nice and great police officer like this, life has to be taken out this way. Well, my viewers and subscribers, let me tell you this now. Them said this police was doing his patrol, right? They don't know, they have a certain time when the police then do them patrolling at some community. And them say come up to a community in Maxwell Avenue, people. You get me, I say? And while entering this community, a gunshot that start beat. So, him alongside another police and the other police returned for you, managed to return for you. But when the gunman then bust the shot, people, he said that it was two gunmen. One of the shot hit this police officer, who is the 27-year-old people, in his head. You understand? When them comes to boom and check the scene now, one of the gunman was found suffering from gunshot wounds. You know what I mean? Dead on the spot, lick out. In the end, viewers and subscribers, this police who got the shot in his head, him not make it. You get me, I say? Him gone. And what I'm gonna say now, people, it's really sad. Because the day before, a soldier was shot. And a couple hours after that, he died in hospital while under treatment. A week ago, a police officer was shot. Luckily, he survived. And all these acts are by criminals, by gunmen, who managed to be attacking the police, attacking the security forces now. You understand? And viewers and subscribers, it's a shame. If you know that it's where these men are out there, you don't understand, trying to protect the citizens of Jamaica on duty. And, you know what I mean, the gunman, them just a target them and a lick them out. Yes, me know a lot of these gunmen maybe have retaliation for their friends who get killed. But if their friend never comes to woman and do things, then they're dead. Because them tell you the road to choose now. You are going to choose the bad road or the good road. And if you choose the bad one, you either going to get bust out, you are going to get slapped out. Well, people, what me really feel hurt about is, right, there's a lot of police out there, they not get no good treatment. Me I be honest, them not get no good treatment. And the government, them need to look into a lot of things. See? Because you know what? Police at times I mean not pick up for no police, I mean not bat no police. See? Me I be realistic right now, people. Because I want a police me attack. And you see, in a time like now when you see police are cut down on duty people, because you have some man through they have the pipe, you know, and then them place in the people, and them see that jeep they roll up in the people and certain things, them just beat upon them, which me don't know say the story now gonna come exactly like how it go, people, but you know what I mean? It now gonna come exactly like how it go. Maybe you go you different sides, so you go on, you know, so the police them pull up this and this and that go on and that go on. But what me I say now, people, to the government of Jamaica now, see? We have a thing now where some police or most police officers, when them done working at night time, see? Them have to go home at their yard. Some of them have to go through some real tough turf area. You get me I say? Some of them are go uptown, some of them are go, you get me I say, in some nice place, but some of them people have to go through some volatile place. See? We're very violent. We have a lot of criminals there. Someone with some big rifle. See? And uno come to boom and take the gun them from the police and them a go home now. Zin? So basically to me see it, you know. Them are not police officers, them are security officers who are being using as police. Zin? Because on a real level people, the government will have measures. And me remember police used to go on with them gun in every police, and because of some incident where police kill their woman and this and that, and only for something that go on in a them time there, Zin, and in the come probe lot of things, then they come in with a measurement where some police can go on with them gun, then take the gun from the police. But when we look into this whole thing, people, honestly, how can you put me on duty as a police officer, right? Me want to tell you this, start this straight up, you know. Me did it. Criminal see me every day. They know me as security force. They know say me we can't lock them up. They know say them are the ranks. Whether them are do this, them are do that. They know say me are the one who come for them. And then when me have my big old thing I carry on my fat 9 by my side now, and you me done my shift, and me if you go on my yard now, Zin, you are gonna let me stay some boom and I go empty handed. I left me for dead to rotted well. Attack New Link. I left me for dead. Zin, me have the truthful people. And a real thing. Me burn out a corrupted police, and me burn out a police who not do the right. Me say police them who do the right thing out there. You understand? And I ensure the safety of Jamaican people and not mix up in a corruption and bungo wrong. Eh? Listen what me say, man. Them need to get good treatment. Because a lot of police now get no good treatment, people. Me I tell you the truth. A lot of them, you have some bigger heads who did their station people and them treat the loser man. Yo, let me tell you this, nobody believes the truth. You see the man them station boom, you know, and suit out, you know, look nice up with them big thing, you know, people, and walk up and look bossy, you know. Nobody believes that some of them money are getting no big money as no police officer, you know. Me I tell you the truth, you know. And nobody believes that them are getting no good treatment, you know, because you see one them who did there sometime in the brown suit, and who say them are the inspect something there, and who say them are this and who the leadership. Them treat them on there like you actually even know people. Either come like just you have a 9 to 5 job out there, or you're in a hotel industry or work and your supervisor give you a problem and stress you out. I saw them something I run to, you know, people. You get me? I say bag of corruption. Bag of corruption. And that's why the attacking boss attack them things, yeah. Zin, the government need to fix things so these police life can be more secure. Because you know safe out the planetary people. Then while the police are protect sitting there are protect we, who is there to protect the police? Eh? A big risk the police them are running, you know. So the police them deserve good money. Me not tell no lie. Them deserve good payment. Just like the teacher and the doctor them deserve good payment. Them are work. Then and it just sad. If you know how easy the man them life can slap out and take it away from them people. Look, the while on duty, boy comes up, boom, and slap the police and lick out him head top, even though then one of them gone people. But still yet, it's sad because one of them gone, but an officer has been cut down and one of the, you know what I mean? Which a lot of people attack, a lot of things, a whole lot of things attack. Because me somebody, I say, listen here, oh, right, them I say, oh, 2 police today. And one gets shot in the head and not do the next one. How that? And one gunman dead. But people, in the end, me can't say how that, you know. You get me I say? Me can't say how that because maybe the boy them fire the shot on the side where the other police there and this I wanna manage to duck when he hear that bus and by the time he beat back the shot. So, you know what I mean? Me not go think negative and say that the other police have nothing to do with it, people. But all me can say, yo, the government need to look into that thing, yeah. When them a send home the police them, sir, you can't send home the police them empty-handed, so police you have them peace. Zin, or if you do something then where every police can get a license piece to protect themselves because you see how the Tara run. That's how it's running now. Mr. Andrew, Mr. Minister of Security, Horace Chang, you need to look into this. You need to look into this. Too much officers has been taken out while on duty. You understand? And if you don't have the corrupt police them, or if you don't have the police them, we are grown and not do things and kill off innocent people, you don't need to find them because you need to do the one investigation in our force and find the corrupt one them, find out the one them who have mental problem, who's a threat to their family, who's a threat to Jamaican citizens. You don't need to do them check there. Police do a medical every 6 months. That way means a mental check, physical check, every check so they're fit for the job. Zin, you don't need to step up the game in the force. because it's not going right. And it's just sad to know how these officers' life has been taken out. Me not feel good about it, people. Young boy, just 27-year-old, the youth not live no life yet, you know? Eh? A good youth. Because when me check people and me see it and me reach out and me do my investigation, a good youth. You know what I mean? A good youth. A real youth. And him life gone, so no, sir. JCF, Minister of Security, Minister Andrew Holness, Prime Minister. No joke thing, me serious. You need to fix this. Zin, you tap make the man them a go home empty-handed. A real thing, even though this one where so was on duty people and him have him peace by him, but lot of others officer life out there at risk. See a soldier cut down there, police, yo. It's sad. It's sad. But my condolences to the family of this officer people, and I hope the government will get this message. Because all the message me do and the government get it, you know. You may not know so the government, you may think they not see it. But me I tell you now, some people reach out to New Link sometime if me for showing the people that's a John and New Link and it's so the thing big. You'd have frightened if you know. Now but at least when the blog comes a boom. Me say some people will reach out to New Link sometime. You that think I that wonder if New Link is like Mr. Don't even call a name the New Link. Attack them. Peace out and big up and blessings. And again, my condolences to the family of this 27-year-old young constable who died tragically while on duty. May your soul rest in peace. And may the government fix this harmful disease, but not COVID, but by officers out there risking their life and are dying on duty. Peace out.